This video shows a simple method of placing IMEX SK ESF kits into a surgical tray for autoclaving. First, line a stainless steel autoclave tray with a folded Huck towel. Second, place all external connecting bars down one side of the tray. If you have any external bars too long to place in the tray, put them into a VisiPeel autoclave pouch and process them alone. Next, take one external bar and loosely place all SK single clamps on it. Leave these clamps loose so they will be easy to remove when in demand. Then place wrenches and double clamps on the opposite side of the tray. Now slide each drill sleeve over its respective drill bit and lay them into the tray. ESF pins deserve special mention. Since SK ESF clamps hold several pin sizes, it is common for more than one pin size to be in a pack. Surgeons prefer not to pick up several pin sizes and sort through them to choose what they want. Also, technicians prefer not to wash and prepare pins of sizes not even used. A good solution shown here is to segregate pins by size and by the location of the threads into individual syringe cases. This allows pins not used to be placed aside to avoid table crowding and save time. Each syringe case can be marked using a Sharpie with various information. At minimum, each tube should indicate pin size and type. Adding quantity desired in pack simplifies inventory and repacking. Adding recommended drill bit size can be beneficial in absence of a wall reference chart. Part numbers are also handy for reordering or patient billing purposes. At this point, one may add 4x4s or other desired contents and double wrap the pack in normal fashion.